What's up, everyone? This is Ryan here, the Crypto Grinder, and Cryptcademy is gonna start in exactly 1.5 hours. So let the chat fill up first. Oh, what's up, Casey? Edward, Jason. Dude, I've been busy, man. Come on, give me a break. We just finished a few interviews. Gonna have more interviews next week. Man, it's gonna be a very packed week, guys. And if you guys have not signed up on Cryptcademy, don't miss out. The session is gonna be happening in exactly 1.5 hours. So if you have not signed up, please quickly either accept the invite that has been already sent out, especially if you've already signed up. Please check your email, and at the same time also please click on the Zoom invite. And then from then, you know, the chat room will be more or less open once I start the Zoom chat. And then for those who have not signed up and wondering what this Cryptcademy is all about, guys, I'm gonna be taking this education thing seriously. I will be looking at building, building a group of educators and consultants that are gonna help you guys be well informed when investing in cryptocurrencies. None of the bullshit courses that I've seen out there. This is really high premium stuff. I'm going to offload as much knowledge as I can. Initially, it will all be taught by myself or by JJ Andy. You're going to have top-notch information, and as you know, I'm always very generous about my information. And today, in 1.5 hours time, if you're interested and you know you're not busy partying or whatnot, please feel free to click on the link in the description below. The Google form is there. Sign up. The moment that you have signed up, please hit me up with your transaction ID and your email. Now, do not listen, please. Do not just when you sign up, please, after you sign up, please send me the transaction ID via email, because Andy is not around. Do not load me with too much administrative work, because I suck at it. Now, there's only 10 spots left. Okay, there's 10 spots left. So just feel free to sign up. If in the event that it overflows, we will conduct a second class next week. So just take your time, go and sign up. And then from then, just send me your transaction ID so that I can verify, and then I'll send you the invite link manually, because Andy now is in Taiwan. He's enjoying himself, so I will be by myself. So just chill, relax. Maybe you're partying, then don't worry, there's always another episode. There's always another class next week. But if you're interested in learning how to invest in cryptocurrencies, in 1.5 hours time, I will be having the very first Cryptcademy class. So let me share a little bit about what is going to be covered in the Cryptcademy class. So at the end of the session, you will be able to be equipped with the knowledge on how to invest in cryptocurrencies and assets. Should you even be investing or trading? Why do we need blockchain tech and cryptocurrencies? How to conduct basic due diligence on team members, and of course identify what drives cryptocurrency prices. Naturally, there's definitely more overviews that I have failed to put it in, but nonetheless, like I said, please, when you come for this session, don't be drunk, okay? Make sure that you're gonna have your pen and paper ready so that you're gonna be able to take notes, and also you will definitely have a chance to ask questions. So the first half an hour will be literally covering the slides. The next half hour will be Q&A. And when you ask Q&A, please don't ask me stuff like when is this gonna moon and that. We are here to learn, guys. So just remember. Oh yeah, how much? Sorry, it's 50 USD. It's 50 USD. JT is oh, JT, you never got the invite. Okay, JT, please wait. JT, I actually sent you the invite, but never mind. I'll send you the invite again. I actually saw you accept the invite. It's 50 USD per pax. So each individual will have a chance to, of course, ask questions. Okay, I forgot to put the overview. You're also going to be able to identify your risk profile. Now, who is going to be moderating this class with me will be Charles. Charles is basically an accounting and finance graduate. Also, if you know Charles, he has been doing our reports, and yeah, he will be moderating this class with me, and he'll be also observing what's happening in the class. How long? How long is the session going to be, and there going to be a replay? No, Sinfa, this is a live class, so there are no replays, okay? Because I think the whole idea of why I'm even conducting a live class, because I prefer the interaction. I prefer people asking me questions, engaging me, and also at the same time I can engage the students as well. This is the whole idea. So it's 1 hour. Right, so it's 30 minutes of slides, and then after that we will go into the Q&A. All right, so the form, guys, the form is in the description below. So like I said, once you're ready, just sign up, and also hit me up with an email, because the master list is with Andy. I'm not sure whether he's even up yet. Oh no, the private consult. Alright, the private consultation invite is, yeah, okay, JT, yes. So you accepted the private consultation invite, but not the okay, no worries. Please hit me up for the invite for this coming course, and then I will send you I'll send you the invite later. Not to worry. I know you're part of the class, so no issues. Yeah, guys. So this will be done via Zoom, right? And I think I want to use the interactiveness because you can do polls, you can actually we can track your statistics, you can ask questions. You know, if you're someone who is very camera shy, you can, you know, basically just type the questions in the chat. I can answer them privately if you want. The link to the private consultation link for now is the same, but don't worry, because the private consultation link is separate. It's a different day. So when you are signing up now, you're literally entering a class, so not to worry. Then after that, I can always send another link for the private consultation, because private consultation is separate. Kenshiro, you think? Matt Cow, there's nothing to talk about Bitcoin Gold fork, man. It's whatever I've discussed about Bitcoin Gold has already gone up, and like I said, the price is already reflecting that. All altcoins are dying. The direction, guys, is to not keep talking about, you know, what's happening in the news all the time, but it's just to arm you with the right skill sets and information so that you know how to deduce the information. I mean, what's there to talk about? Every time there's a new fork, Bitcoin prices soar because everybody wants free money. Whenever there's an airdrop, people want free money again. They'll make sure that they have enough BTC, they'll make sure that they have enough Ethereum, and from then the whole idea of this airdrop come distribution is so that people can get free money. And also it gives okay guys, airdrop is basically a PR, it's a PR thing, right? If a new token is being issued, they want to have as much exposure as possible. So whoever has Ethereum, let's say for example, if it's an ERC20 token, let's say for example an ICO was built on Ethereum. Naturally, all Ethereum holders at that point will receive, maybe for example Omise Go, which is what I received. I received some Omise Go for the fact that I held Ethereum. And also it gives people a chance to see, oh, okay, there's this token called Omise Go. They'll get curious about it. They'll go and research about it. You know, everyone gets a little bit of that. It's a PR thing, man. Exposure. The type of people who are buying coin right now are more of the adventurous type of people in society who will find out information for themselves. The business model will work better. No worries, Grant. It's okay. It's just naturally because majority of my viewers are from the US, and you know, 9 p.m. Eastern time would be you know, beneficial for them, and yeah. It's just, you know, trying to find, and also it's going to be 9 a.m. You know, here in Singapore it's easier. I'm still physically the only person I know who owns Bitcoin. You are right, man. You're right, John, because a lot of people still don't understand this space. So, if you have friends or family who are interested, to understand a little bit more about Bitcoin and blockchain and what are altcoins, you haven't got your feet wet, I think this class is extremely suitable because it also covers your risk profile. I think a lot of people just want to jump in and participate without understanding the risks involved, and that's actually not advisable. Yes, you can participate, but however, when you start losing money or the value of what you bought starts depreciating rapidly and you don't even know why, that's because naturally you have not any experience investing in any financial market instruments before. And then after that, you step into this whole world of cryptocurrencies, thinking that it's like the next big thing because your grandmother, your auntie, your neighbor, while buying vegetables, shared about it with you, and then you decided to go and get involved as well. And then after that, the next day, the market corrects 40%, and then after you lose 50%, and you're wondering why, and then you go and scold the auntie that shared it with you. So let's not do that. Let's get educated. Let's be a bit smart. And the course is available soon. The links are in the description, and we are going to be starting soon. So guys, like I said, a little preview. So for example, we're going to go basic stuff like what is Bitcoin, why is Bitcoin going to be the very first decentralized cryptocurrency, and always it's in high demand, simple stuff like that. But then after that, we're going to get into the meat and bone of the course, and we're going to allow you to literally understand your own risk profile. And yeah, of course, the demand will definitely go up, man. No. The demand for cryptocurrencies is definitely here to stay. It's just that the awareness, not everyone wants to educate about stuff. Educating is hard, guys. It's difficult because you have to convince in a way, right? Education is not easy. Nobody likes to do education. That's why CG has a high net worth segment that we are going to look into. Providing projects we're going to connect projects to our investors, so on and so forth. That is so much more straightforward. I mean, I'm familiar with such stuff. We've already got a pool of these high net worth clients who will be very interested in participating in projects. It'll be fun. What's a PEX? Oh, PEX is per person. This is good for kids like me. Patrick, don't be a troll, man. Yeah, guys, so I know altcoins are dying. It's okay, because you know why? Because altcoins form the ecosystem of this space. So you may be thinking, man, if I didn't touch any of these altcoins ever since it started, yes, PEX is probably for a participant. That's right, Donut. So if you are wondering why altcoins serve a purpose and why we still invest in altcoins, is for the very fact that these altcoins are going to be the next generation of companies that are going to pave the way for the cryptocurrency space, guys. Without a healthy ecosystem, Bitcoin is just a currency. That's all it is. All right. It doesn't provide much stuff, because now you're looking at the scalability. As you can see, there's a lot of infighting. For now, they're not getting their act together. You're looking at the New York agreement, and then there are some who are choosing not to follow it. It's messy, guys. It's just messy. It's all political as always, because when it's a 90 over billion market cap, everybody wants a piece of the pie. I understand. It's a struggle for power. So, hey man, don't worry about the likes, man. I love you, Donut. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. I think the whole idea here is to find an audience that appreciates what is being delivered. It's not so much about the views. It's not so much about the number of subscribers, because I'm not here for that. I'm here for the big picture, guys. And if you're here for the big picture, gradually you will follow me and you'll know and you will see how we're growing. I mean, there are people like Casey, there are people who are like Patrick, who have seen us grow. You know, they know what we're doing. We're not here to please everyone, man. We're here to literally move with the people who have the vision. Because when you have the vision, you will know where this space is headed. And at the same time also, you know that CG is headed for bigger things, right? We're not just a Signals group. It started off as a free Telegram chat. From then, we opened up a Signals group. And from then now, we're looking at investment groups. We're looking at interviews with founders. And we're going to be moving into, we're going to be going into very big projects, guys. No joke. No joke. Do you think BTC will drop much after the fork this time? The word much is not going to happen. I don't invest in Chainlink, man. BTC will drop to a certain extent because after the free money, the money will move out and it will move into altcoins again. So it's a standard thing. Okay, for Omise Go, the project is naturally gaining from strength to strength. However, their mainnet is going to be only up in 3 to 4 months' time. So if you're saying that you're going to be invested, now is a great time, especially when the price is consolidated around below $8. And you're going to be able to accumulate on a gradual basis for the next 3 to 5 months. 3 to 4 months, 3 to 5 months, yep. That's right, Grant. It will change the world. But however, it's always about the scalability. The reason why a lot of companies are reluctant to port over to blockchain technology is for the fact that it's a scalability issue. Because if right now they're having so many transactions in a particular day, or at least in a particular day, they are not able to scale. So why Lightning and Raiden and Casper and whatnot are gonna be the next wave? You have to be prepared for all this kind of stuff. Then, of course, when decentralized exchanges open up, they're going to allow more freedom for you to buy and sell amongst peers, and also there's a level of security because these are all smart contracts, right? So all these smart contracts will have ZK snugs involved. It's exciting stuff, man. Ryan, do you think the Segwit 800 pre-launch price is a good estimate of its price? I didn't expect it to be so high, so people might still want to stick with BTC. Well, okay, let's just put it this way. When it is on a futures market, it can be manipulated so that there is demand. When there is demand, people will definitely charge to go and try to get it because okay, see, this is how it looks like. I have BTC. I look at the futures price of how something is trading. It's like, wow, it's 800 bucks. How do you know that it's not being propped up as we speak by the powers that be, so that you're going to be charging in? They are going to benefit from the price rise of Bitcoin. They dump on you. After that, the moment the distribution happens, they'll dump their Bitcoin Gold. Yeah, it's going to happen, guys. What's Bitcoin Gold? I'm not interested. Like Bitcoin Cash, look at Bitcoin Cash. Having Roger Ver and Jihan Wu. Where is Bitcoin Cash now? It was just a way to accumulate more Bitcoin. I didn't expect it to be so okay. So, how would you recommend to buy in from fiat just now? F, BTC, or LTC? I think if you look at fiat, get more fiat, get more LTC at this point. Get more Ethereum at this point. Ethereum is same thing, going to give you a few months of buying time around this price. There's going to be definitely some sell downs because people from Ethereum will basically dump a little bit of Ethereum, and then after that they're going to charge and buy towards Bitcoin possibly. In another 3 days time, you're going to have the fork. That's right, Mad Cow. It is. It is. I mean, it's all about how much marketing they're going to be willing to put to get people to accept Bitcoin Gold and to accept Bitcoin Cash, because it's all about the influence here now. Because if I was to fork, who is going to buy my coin? I don't know, right? But can I fork it? Yeah, sure. The only altcoins I'm buying now is Omisego. What are you guys buying now that prices are lower? Yes, feel free to chat amongst yourselves, guys. Okay, and don't forget to email me, guys. If you're participating in the Cryptcademy later on, because if I don't get your email, I can't send you the invite. Okay, so please remember to send me the invite. So, altcoins will always be hammered, but like I said, I'm going to move towards segmenting the investing strategies between having a pool of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, because it has proven itself that this strategy is working. The altcoin investing will be also kept separate with a separate set of criterias, where we learn how to pick the right cryptocurrencies to invest in, and also this is more for investing. Trading will be done by JJ Andy when he comes back from Taiwan. So today's class is not about trading setups, it's more about the fundamentals behind understanding how to invest in cryptocurrencies in general. Do you think altcoins will go down in the coming days? Altcoins with very poor fundamentals tend to get hammered more than altcoins that have great fundamentals. There's nothing that you can do. Try to understand one thing, guys. Just straight up, you're gonna have this issue when you invest in altcoins, and Bitcoin is always gonna go up. Bitcoin will definitely eat up into the number of satoshis that you have. Now, if you do not want to have this situation, then just buy Bitcoin, guys. Just be smart, buy Bitcoin, and that's it. Don't watch any top altcoins to invest in September, in November, or what altcoins to invest in this week. Guys, you just have to get it, man. If you want to invest in altcoins, this is what's going to happen over and over and over again, because right now the only market or the only cryptocurrency that has enough liquidity, is Bitcoin, right? Everything else is just still building its liquidity, guys. Thanks, Hamza. Yes, the family is well. If you're wondering what I've been up to, basically I've been doing a lot of interviews, guys. I need to help you guys understand the companies, right? If you guys don't even understand the companies, then why are you investing in them, right? If I can have the chance to speak to these CFOs, CEOs, CTOs, lead devs, why not, right? Why not, right? Everyone gets to learn. I get to learn, right? And when I learn, you guys learn. And when you all learn, you all feel confident. You want to help out the project in whatever way by investing in them in the secondary market or during the ICO. You are more well informed. That's the whole idea. Polo Punk. I want to just buy BTC, but I was thinking, as I don't have much capital, I could day trade in alts to build funds to buy BTC. Is that crazy? Polo Punk, honestly, if you are buying if you're buying altcoins to try to trade Bitcoins, more often than not you're gonna be investing in the shit coins. Because the shit coins have a pump that could or could not occur, and usually it's a manipulated pump because they don't have enough money for marketing. So the internet marketers, or at least syndicates that run these pump groups, will find coins that they can easily manipulate. So you, on the other hand, thinking that, I don't have much liquidity, they are picking on people like you. And when they pick on people like you will buy and you will help bring up the price, right? And when everyone starts talking about it, because you'll be sharing with your friends as well. Look, I'm not saying that having low liquidity or anything, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the psychology of how the whales think. So the whales will manipulate the price. They will park their funds in first. And then the virility of the internet marketers that they're hiring will start talking about this shitcoin. And then suddenly, for out of no reason, this shitcoin is going to start moving. Now, they will also time themselves when the shitcoin actually is going to have some kind of roadmap announcement or some video that's going to come out. And then you stupidly go and buy, right? You bring up the price. You go and share with 5 of your friends. Your 5 of your friends put in $100 to push up the price again. If enough goes up, they'll just dump everything. And you're left hanging. Simple, right? Alright guys, so I am going to prepare for the class. For those who are interested, hit me up for whatever questions that you may have during the class. I will be more than happy to answer. Alright? Yeah, Marky Mark, of course. I think prices are always being manipulated because there's margin trading involved. So the moment that there's a heavy dump or some kind of circumstance, you see, exchanges also have dirty tricks up their sleeve to kill off anyone who is on margin trading as well. Age-old trick, man. But they will never tell you that they do it. Of course, right? It's bad for business. But it happens. So what have you guys been up to, man? What have you guys been up to? Like, have you all been buying random altcoins and having fun? Alt bull run after Bitcoin go? Yes, possible. But however, there is gonna be another fork that is gonna happen in November again. So that's gonna affect the market once again. But this time around, there's not gonna be any free money. Haha, there's not gonna be any free money. So naturally, people will park money into the. Thank goodness it's SegWit 2x. So there's not gonna be any more free money. They're gonna park themselves into alts. Staking has been good, guys. Staking is the way to go. Stake, 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 and stake, and stake. It's fun, man. Easy to do. You know, you're helping out the ecosystem, right? Year end, guys. Year end is coming. So there's a lot of stuff that's going to be happening in 2018. As the teams kind of wind down a little bit, they're going to have a push in November for sure, right? To showcase what they have. But after that, December is going to be a quiet month. So staking is going to be good. I'm not interested in Chainlink. Simple as that. It's not a big enough project. I already said it's not a big enough project. What do you mean why? Mad cow, you go and do a little bit of due D first, right? It has very, very low and poor fundamentals for people to get interested in it. I'm looking for infrastructure. I'm looking for big picture. I'm looking for things that can actually form the ecosystem. I'm not going to be part of a project that is just one shot and one off. Look at Stratus and List, guys. Look at Stratus and List. When infrastructure is not built up yet, you need to have a strong clientele base, right, to be able to support your project. So when you don't have the infrastructure in place and you create a business that has no customers or low customers, this is what happens. Alrighty guys, so have fun, see you all in class.